Hi everyone. In this video I wanted to go over how to create a picture fill background and also recolor the picture. This is part of the Pause and Practice 3-1 exercise, and it's actually step 5. You'll find this in your book on page 154 and 155. So let's get started. So in the first part of step 5, it says on the Format Background page, select Picture or Texture Fill and then click the Online button to open the Insert Pictures dialog box, and they want us to be on slide 14. So right now I'm on slide 1, and I'll just scroll down on my left-hand side here and click slide 14. And I still have my Format Background pane open. If you didn't, you can always right-click in anywhere of the blank area of the slide and click Format Background, and that will reopen the pane just in case you had closed it. Okay, so they want us to choose Picture or Texture Fill, and then they want us to get the picture from an online source. We're not inserting it from a file, we're going to get it from an online source, so we'll click this button. And in the instructions in 5B, it says in the office.com clipart search box, type audience and click search. So let's go ahead and type that in. Now, when I click on search, I am going to see that I do not find a picture that is similar to the one in the book. This probably Microsoft just may not have this picture available still for whatever reason, and this can happen when we're dealing with things on the internet. Things can definitely change. So in this particular instance, let's go ahead and try the word instructor instead of audience. So I type that in and click on search, and you'll see here this third picture from the left. The picture is titled An Instructor Teaching Students About Business on a Whiteboard. This looks like a pretty good picture. It's representative of what they're trying to portray. So we can go ahead and use this one. So I'll go ahead and click on it once to select it, and then I'll click on the Insert button. Okay, and that was step 5C. So we selected the picture and then we clicked on Insert. So you can now see that the background is completely taken up by the picture. Now in the next part of 5D, they want us to start the process of recoloring the picture. So the first thing in 5D, it says click the picture button at the top of the Format Background pane. So we're still in the Format Background pane here. If you're ever not sure what the function is of a button, just go ahead and put your mouse pointer over it. Just hover, don't click, and it will give you that tooltip to let you know what the purpose is of that button. So here's my picture button, so I'll go ahead and click that. And then in the next part of 5D, it says then select picture color. Now, yours may open like this so that none of the information applying to picture color is shown. If that's the case, just go ahead and click the little triangle here to display all the rest of the information. So now I can see the recolor button, which is what they want me to do in 5E. It says click the recolor list arrow and choose brown accent color 3 light. So here I'll go ahead and click the little down arrow. Now you can see here we have a lot of choices, and I'm not sure which one is the accent, the brown accent color 3 light. So again, I would use the technique of just hovering my mouse pointer over it and letting the tooltips help me with this. Okay, so now I can see here, this is the one that we want, brown accent color 3 light, so I'll go ahead and click on it, and you can see that my picture was recolored automatically. If you click on it and you don't see the picture recolored, you don't see the update automatically, every so often you have to actually double click on your choice to get it to take the change that you're trying to make. So if it doesn't happen initially, just try double clicking on it and see if that helps. Remember, you can always use the reset button here. I can click that. It will take me back to the original picture, just in case maybe I made the wrong choice, or maybe in an instance you're creating a presentation, let's say for a class or work, you make a choice and you're not really happy with that one. You can go ahead and click reset and try something else. Then you could go through and pick whichever other one that you wanted. I'll go ahead and go back to the one that it's calling for in the exercise. Okay, so I think that we are done. We have inserted the picture, and we have also changed the coloring of the picture to just sort of a brown tone, and we've taken out the color. Remember, we're just applying this change to only slide 14. You definitely don't want to click the Apply All to All button, because that obviously would put the picture on the background of every single slide. So many times you're making changes just to one slide versus changing everything. So that's it for now. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks.